In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your HubSpot trial effectively, specifically using the app na2.hubspot.com interface. Whether you're starting a new project or want to get the most out of your HubSpot trial, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's head over to the trial guide. Simply navigate your browser to the provided link that takes you directly into HubSpot's cozy interface tailored for your trial exploration. This area will lay the foundation for everything we'll cover today, so make sure you're logged in and ready to absorb all the insightful data and opportunities HubSpot offers. Now that you're logged in, let's utilize the search feature to streamline our experience. What you want to do next is type in "highlight" in the search bar. HubSpot's robust search capabilities make it a breeze to find exactly what you're looking for, cutting through the noise and setting you squarely on the path to success. This can be particularly helpful if you have a specific piece of information or a feature you want to get straight to without wading through unrelated content. Once you've filtered through your options, go ahead and click on Reports. The Reports section is an essential tool for anyone looking to harness data to understand trends, measure success, and strategize for future endeavors. Here you'll find an incredibly useful visual representation of metrics that are crucial for sales and marketing decisions. Next up, to further explore your data capabilities, click on Create Report. By doing this, you're taking the step into customizing your personal dashboard. This functionality allows you to create reports tailored specifically to your needs, providing insight where it matters most for your business objectives or personal project goals. As we delve deeper, it's now time to create reports from scratch. With just a click on Create Reports from Scratch, you'll enter a realm of endless possibilities. Here, HubSpot gives you the keys to define your parameters, select data sources, and determine the metrics that are most critical to your objectives. Whether you're dealing with sales data, customer behavior, or performance metrics, starting from scratch empowers you with flexibility and control. By the end of this journey, you'll have not only navigated through HubSpot's extensive array of features, but also crafted a suite of reports that truly reflect your vision and needs. That about wraps it up for today's walkthrough. I hope this guide helps you make the most of your HubSpot trial. Don't forget to explore further and customize the platform to suit your requirements. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, keep optimizing and innovating.